This is Strategic Hedging with Options and Futures, the Micro E-mini Nasdaq-100 Futures contract /MNQ. This video is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. The Micro E-mini Nasdaq-100 Futures contract /MNQ was introduced on May 6, 2019 by the CME Group, and it was designed to give retail traders affordable access to one of the most popular technology-driven stock indices in the world, the Nasdaq-100. The tick size for /MNQ is equal to 0.25 with a tick value equaling 50 cents. This means that there are 4 ticks to 1 point, and we multiply 4 times 50 cents, we get a 1 full point value equaling $2. So that is the contract multiplier. In order to calculate contract size or notional value, we need to multiply the value of MNQ by the contract multiplier of $2. Another way to think about notional value is to recognize that one MNQ contract is equal to approximately 82 shares of the ETF QQQ. Let's hop into the thinkorswim trading platform here and calculate the current notional value or contract size for MNQ using the current price. So I have populated /MNQ in the charts tab here, and we can see that the current value of the index is trading at 24,026.25. So I'm going to take the value of MNQ here and multiply that times the contract multiplier of 2 to get a notional value of $48,053.50. Now let's take a look at what QQQ is trading at. So I'm going to populate QQQ in the charts tab here. And let's get our calculator back up. And we're going to take the notional value of MNQ and divide it by the current trading price of QQQ, which is 584.71. And we can see here that that equals approximately 82 shares. So one MNQ contract is notionally equivalent to approximately 82 shares of the Nasdaq-100 ETF QQQ. Just like the other E-mini futures products, the Micro E-mini Nasdaq futures trade nearly 24 hours a day, Sunday to Friday, between 5 p.m. and 4 p.m. Central Time, with a maintenance break between 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. These contracts expire quarterly in March, June, September, and December, with the most active trading activity concentrated in the front month contract. A word about margins. To place a futures trade, I only need to put up the required trading margin, which in futures is much less than the full contract value. Margin is the amount of money a trader must deposit in order to open and maintain a futures position. There are 3 types of margin: initial margin, maintenance margin, and overnight margin. Initial margin is the amount required to open a position, while maintenance margin is the minimum balance required to keep the position open. If the account falls below this level, a margin call occurs. And some brokers have a separate overnight margin, which is often higher. Always confirm the requirements with your specific broker. Now let's hop into the thinkorswim trading platform here and see what the current margin requirements are in order to trade /MNQ. I have MNQ populated in the Trade tab, and I'm going to select the Futures tab on the drop-down menu here. And we can scroll down and see /MNQ listed with an initial margin requirement of $3,589. So if I wanted to open a position with one contract, that would be my initial margin requirement. So what are the advantages of trading the Micro E-mini Nasdaq futures? Well, first is leverage. You obviously control a large notional value with a relatively small amount of margin. Next would be tax efficiency. In the U.S., we enjoy a 60/40 capital gains treatment via Section 1256 in the tax code. And for more details on that, consult your tax professional. This contract takes advantage of extended trading hours and can be used for hedging. MNQ can be a core instrument for portfolio hedging for retail traders. A word about risk. Risk management is crucial when trading futures due to the leverage involved. You want to be aware of position sizing and consider stop-loss orders when using futures, and you obviously need market awareness when trading these products. In summary, the Micro E-mini Nasdaq futures contract is one way for small traders to participate in one of the most dynamic, tech-focused stock indices in the world. With affordable margins, tax advantages, and extended trading hours, /MNQ offers flexibility for trading and portfolio hedging. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment, financial, or trading advice. No recommendations to buy or sell securities are being made. All examples are hypothetical and for illustration only. All investments carry risk, including the possible loss of principal. Options trading involves significant risk and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Consult a qualified financial advisor before implementing any strategy and review your financial situation, risk tolerance, cost, fees, and tax implications. Options trading requires broker approval, and not all strategies are permitted in all account types. Returns shown are hypothetical and not guaranteed. Market conditions may change quickly, and results will vary based on market performance, timing, and execution. Read characteristics and risks of standardized options from your broker or at www.optionsclearing.com before trading options.